In this video, we will cover how to access and change any of the game options for Quest Journey Through the Lifespan. At any time before you begin the quest, or even while in gameplay, you can click on the gear icon here in the right-hand corner of the screen. This will expand and show you all the setting options. Gameplay will show you the keyboard navigation. Should you want to change any of the inputs, simply click on the button and re-key to a new input of your choosing. Sound allows you to adjust the volume as necessary. Accessibility offers you the ability to enable any accessibility options needed. Player preferences. This game option allows the player to clear the cached achievements for all quests so they can be earned again. This setting is only available at the startup screen and not available during gameplay. Next, you also have How to Play, which is a brief description of how to approach each environment and how to navigate around these realistic settings. Lastly, the Credits tab is incorporated and includes all those involved in the creation of Quest Journey Through the Lifespan. During gameplay, these settings will be available at the top right of your screen, indicated by the gear symbol, and that covers how to find and enable game options for Quest Journey Through the Lifespan.